So, ladies and gentlemen, it's precisely 11 o'clock by my watch, and here I come with my special guest speaker on the day. Please put your hands together for our guest speaker, Lady Cadet Sharanjeet Kaur.
Yo.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
Manjeet.
ma'am is a very special course mate of ours. She is regarded as Dhanu of our course. And ma'am has shown exemplary performance in the last few days. Ma'am, we would like to ask you, what is the reason for this success, ma'am?
Okay, so first of all, I would want to give the credit to Captain BJ sir because he was the one who motivated me. Actually, I used to feel like I just can't improve on my English part, but after attending his sessions, I felt like if I'll do hard work, then I can go on with the things. So at first, I would like to tell you when the first time like I got to know about phonetics. I would want to share the incident. I went to my cabin. I just folded the page and I just put it in the register, and I didn't open it for next 6 months. Seriously. And now when Captain BJ said again taught us that after that I went to I searched my books and I found out that register, and then I opened the page, and I'm very happy that after 6 months like I'm into that thing, and I'm again I studied the phonetic part. And also one more thing, related to my MTI, most of the time I was humiliated, like you don't speak good English, and that thing was into my mind. I felt very bad, and then I took an oath in this lockdown, and I said once I get back to the institute, I would not be the same Sharon as I was earlier. So I worked hard on my MTI, and the thing that I did was I didn't focus on my accent. I just focused on the correct pronunciation of words. Because when we run after the accent, things change completely, and it becomes very much awkward for us to stay in the same line with all other people. But when you actually work on the pronunciation part, then automatically your English improves to a greater extent. So this is what I did, and I also want to share one more thing. So when I was about to join the institute, I bought new dictionaries, the ninth edition of Oxford, and I got that CD. Sir, I just installed it in my laptop, but I didn't use it because I was not aware how to use it. And when I saw that you also use the same dictionary, then I started using it. So thanks to you, sir, again for teaching me the use of the dictionary. And now I use the dictionary every day, and so because of that now I am into I started liking phonetics, and I use them every day. Like now if I learn any new word, I first check its pronunciation, and almost I remember each and every symbol by now. So that's all.
In fact, Sharan,
That's very.
if you remember, you have now fallen in love
Seriously, sir.
with the language.
Yes, sir. I don't know, sir, how for how long it will last. 21 days are yet
I
not
told
completed.
you, I told you my own example of school days, class 9. Well, you have to fall in love with the language. Only then the language comes to you. And I think that's precisely what has happened to you, Sharan. You've actually fallen in love
Yes,
now.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I am liking phonetics.
Okay, great. Manjeet, please over to you.
So, ma'am, may you please tell us that what is it that inspires you, or what is it in phonetics that you like so much? Because for any normal person, like any of us, we would not get into the detail, we would not get into the depth. Either we have to say thank you or thank you. So, what is it in phonetics that inspires you so much?
Okay. As you remember, IP sir always tell us that if you're actually doing something, you should be confident about it, and you should be specifically talking about anything if you're doing. So what phonetics help me, like for example, if I am pronouncing one word and I've gone through the phonetics thing, so it gives me 200% confidence that I'm pronouncing this word correctly, and it helps me to stand out in the public, and I can speak like because I know that I'm pronouncing that word correctly. So it adds up to my confidence level. Now, for example, you know that you have worked hard on this word. Take any word, for example, picture word. So I know I've worked hard on that word. I know each and every single sound. So you'll pronounce that word correctly in front of the audience. And obviously, it will help you to, you'll sound much more confidently rather than, it's very much natural when you work on anything. You obviously get that confidence that, look, I am right, I have researched a lot. So this is the thing, phonetics help you to do that. And once you start using words in the form of phonetic, it becomes very much easy for you to remember their correct pronunciation. Because every time we don't read the same words again and again. For example, Genesis, these words, these words have different pronunciation. Like genetic has different pronunciation and Genesis has different pronunciation. So I wrote down those pronunciations and now I remember them. I can recall them at any point of time if I would read them in any sort of passages or something. So this is how the things work. And sir, I have also made a beautiful chart of phonetics. I would want to show that.
Please do that.
So here it is. I've made the complete chart.
Oh my God.
Visible?
Oh my God. Ah.
So
Love.
though I'm not very much good at drawing at all, but I just wanted to make this.
But you've done it. You've done all that goes into it. Yes. There are charts, there are papers, there are sheets, there are.
Here's my schwa, sir, my favorite one.
Oh, the Shwo. Okay. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Interesting. Good, 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 good. So that's where we need to clap for you again. Yes, Manjeet, over to you again.
That's so nice and very. You are the epitome of our course, ma'am. And may you, ma'am, please give a message to the audience that in what way we can also improve ourselves, or what you want to say to the audience.
Sir, I also want to share one more thing. So when our sessions were about to start with you, like in the month of March, so sir, before that, like one day before, sir, we had session with Jivesh and sir, and he told us that now you will be taught by the master. And I seriously want to say that this master magician has spread his message, his magic on all of my course mates, and look, the results are in front of us. We all have improved to a great extent. So I seriously want to thank this magician. And also I want to thank Jivesh and sir that they have brought this magician to us. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh my God. Kya baat, kya baat. Super.
By now, I have well and truly established my credentials as a guy who says the truth. Right, ladies?
Yes, sir.
So when
Yes, sir.
You never, Jivesh, you never shared this with me.
follow that. So there is one more request which I'm going to make today to all of you, and it is a very humble request. While I have said this on a lighter note, one of these earlier days, the easiest way to continue the love for language is use it in your daily routine. Even when you guys are talking among yourselves, try and talk in English. I'm telling you, do it for 3 months and you will never go back. You will start thinking in English. And that is the difference between fluency and becoming or being hesitant in that language.